Hello everyone, Michael Kane here, Geek Tank Games. Today we're happy to announce our next product line, GTG Minis. The goal of this project is to produce over 200 awesome miniatures. We teamed up with Printable Heroes to make a very durable, easy to store, and visually pleasing collection. GTG Minis will be made of the same material as our token terrain, waterproof, scratch resistant, and durable as hell. We are releasing 7 GTG mini sets for you to back. The minis are just the start. We are also creating a custom storage sheet that can fit into any 3-ring binder. With this, the DM can now keep his monsters organized, getting rid of boxes to basement full of 3D terrains and minis. Not only will these sheets fit all of the GTG minis, they will also be able to fit any of our existing tabletop token terrain. Each custom sheet is designed so that if turned upside down, the contents will remain in place. Imagine having a binder that everything is organized in, easy to store, and easy to transport. Lastly, we want to produce some custom bases to go with our GTG minis. These bases will have a slotted groove, creating tension between the mini and the base. The result is the mini stays in place with no adhesive. A pack of our bases will have enough to cover a standard size party group. If this is your first time checking out Geek Tank Games, or if you're a longtime backer, we just want to remind everyone that we do not launch Kickstarters without having all the heavy lifting done first. The manufacturing is all lined up, and we just need your pledges to secure our purchase order. Like our last 2 successful Kickstarters, we were able to deliver within 4 to 5 months. With lessons learned, we hope to be able to deliver within 3 to 4 months of the campaign's end. All of our products are built to last. As a DM of 20 plus years, I only create products that I would buy myself. Lastly, I'd like to thank all the backers who put the pieces together to get us here, and with your continued support, we can make this fantasy a reality.